In this video, I'll show you how to browse Facebook anonymously so you can view content without drawing attention to your activity. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. If you want to stay as private as possible while browsing, the main thing is to avoid interactions that notify other people. For example, when you scroll through posts, avoid tapping the like, love, or other reaction buttons because those actions notify the person who posted. You should also avoid leaving comments or sharing posts, since those activities make your profile visible to others. If you want to look at someone's profile quietly, simply open their profile and scroll through their public posts without reacting to anything. Another helpful step is to avoid sending friend requests or following new accounts while browsing, because those actions notify the other person. You can also turn off your active status from the settings so people don't see when you are online. By simply viewing content without interacting, you can browse Facebook more privately and keep your activity less noticeable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.